So now guys, this is our movement on our EURJPY. Our trend on EURJPY is in an uptrend move. So the first rule of trading is know your trend. Second rule is trade with the trend. Now, as you can see on our EURJPY, we can see that we are in an uptrend move. Market is literally trending to the upside. So we are now going to be trading with the trend, which is we are also going to be trending to the upside. Now, take a look at this movement. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. You can also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, this was a previous movement on our EURJPY. Previous movement was a ranging market move. Market was once ranging on the EURJPY, right? Now eventually market push up to form a new high. Here comes the higher low. Markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low right here. So this is the higher low that market has given. We will be expecting market to push up again to form a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move is what we'll be expecting next on our EURJPY. So we'll be expecting EURJPY to push up till it is able to form a new higher high. So whatever you would want to be doing on your EURJPY, you would want to be going in for the buy. So if you can go in for the buy and put your buy position till you are able to make between 60 to 70 pips bullish move for the day, that should be fine, right? If you want to go ahead and aim for 100 pips, it is very much possible, but you are most likely going to grab the full 100 pips by next week. So whatever you want to be doing, just be going for the buy and put your buy position. If you would want to hold it for a very long term, but if you would want to hold it for the day, you can look to close out at about 60 to 70 pips. So EURJPY is on a bullish move. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe.